Imagine trying to lift a heavy rock with just your hands. It would be nearly impossible. But place a sturdy stick under it with a smaller rock as a pivot point, and suddenly you've made a lever, and the rock moves with far less effort. This is the power of simple machines. Devices that make work easier by changing the size or direction of a force. There are 6 classic simple machines that have been used for thousands of years. The lever, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw, and wheel and axle. Each one takes an input force and changes it into an output force in a way that helps us accomplish tasks more efficiently. Ancient builders used ramps, or inclined planes, to raise stones for pyramids. Sailors raised sails with pulleys. Farmers split wood with wedges. Even today, screws hold together everything from furniture to airplanes, and wheels allow us to move goods across the world. Let's take a closer look at 2 examples. A lever works by placing a rigid bar over a pivot point, called a fulcrum. Depending on where you place the fulcrum, you can lift heavy objects with much less force. Seesaws, crowbars, and even brooms are all levers. A pulley, on the other hand, uses a wheel and rope to redirect force. Pulling down on a rope makes a load move upward. Add more pulleys and you can lift even heavier objects with less effort. These 2 machines demonstrate how the right design can stretch human strength far beyond natural limits. Simple machines are also the foundation for more complex systems. When combined, they create mechanical systems, like bicycles, cranes, elevators, and engines. They show us the direct relationship between force, work, and mechanical advantage, core ideas in understanding how technology functions. Mechanical advantage is the factor by which a machine multiplies your input force. In other words, it's how many times stronger the machine makes you. To bring these concepts to life, you'll become both a scientist and a curator. You'll choose one simple machine and present it as if it belongs in a museum exhibit, complete with visuals, explanations, and real-world connections. So here's your challenge. You're going to design a museum exhibit display for one simple machine. Your exhibit will feature a real example of your chosen machine, such as a seesaw for a lever, a can opener for a wheel and axle, or a screw holding together a chair. You'll explain its purpose, show the inputs and outputs, and describe how it provides mechanical advantage. To complete this project, you'll need to do the following. First, select one simple machine to focus on. Lever, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw, or wheel and axle. Next, choose a real-world example of that machine in action, and gather information about how it works. Then, design your exhibit on a poster or display board, including a drawing or diagram of the machine, with arrows showing input and output forces. After that, write a clear explanation of how your machine makes work easier, including how it changes force, distance, or direction. Finally, build or bring in an actual model of your machine. For example, you might build a model of a seesaw to show how it works. Remember not to bring in anything unsafe, and to check with your teacher first. By the end of this project, you'll not only understand the mechanics of a simple machine, but also be able to teach others about it. Just like artifacts in a real museum, your display will tell the story of how humans have used simple machines for centuries to extend our abilities and shape the world around us.